So you've decided to tune into my seller series because you have made up your mind that you want to sell your home anywhere from now and in the next 24 months. Okay, if that statement made you a little uncomfortable, let's check your motivation right now to sell your home. On a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being I will sell my house today for the right price and plan in place to purchase my new one, is a 10, and 1 being I love my house, I love my neighborhood, I'm not selling. Where do you fit on that scale? If you are 5 and up, you stand a lot to learn from tuning into my seller series. If you are a 4 and below, your motivation is low, but we're not turning anyone away. You can still learn something too, or feel free to share this with someone that is highly motivated to sell right now. For those of you who do not know me, my name is Candace. I am a local New Jersey mom of twins, a registered nurse turned real estate agent that has been so fortunate over the last 2 years to help up to 40 individuals and families buy and sell real estate throughout New Jersey. I do say that with such pride. I primarily work in Mercer and Burlington counties, but I do service some of Middlesex and Somerset counties, so check in with me if you need to buy or sell in that area. I specialize in helping first-time home buyers and existing homeowners upsize or downsize. As your real estate agent, I never, ever try to convince you to do anything or sell you anything. I simply want to be a resource and provide you with the information that you need to make decisions that feel right for you and your family. I make a lot of videos like this and also of client success stories. I like to call them my social proof or modern day resume. They are on my Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. So check them out. Whatever your guilty pleasure is, I am there. And also I do have client reviews on Zillow to really demonstrate how hard I work for my clients. So enough about me, back to this seller series. We know as real estate agents that the top of the year is when most buyers set goals to buy real estate and homeowners are looking to upsize or downsize or just get out of the home that they're in. What they have in common, homeowners and buyers with these goals at the top of the year, is they often don't know who to call, how to get started, or when to get started. So I thought it was a great idea to do a seller series because we really need inventory, and I am really great at helping people upsize or downsize. So again, I want to be a resource and get you the information you need so that when you're ready to get started, you know who to call. So the seller series will consist of 4 more short videos. This is one of the 5. The second video will focus on what current market conditions look like for sellers right now, and if it is possible for you to time the market. Video number 3 will answer the looming question about what you do once you get an offer accepted on your home, and where will you go after that offer is accepted. And number 4 will be talking about actually getting a home ready for the market and the process of opening your home up to buyers that are interested in your home. And last but not least, number 5 is talking about from contract to closing, how to juggle 2 transactions at the same time, because if you are selling your home and buying a new one, you're going to be doing those 2 things at once, and how I can help get you through that process. I am so excited for this seller series. It's my first one, and I can't wait for you to watch, learn, and share the information that you get in these videos. I'm excited for your feedback. Please check below for the time that the second video will be made available for you. And as always, please make sure I'm your first phone call when you decide to do anything real estate related. See you in the next video.